For every sales I make, I get $136 as commission. So if I make just one sales every day in a month, that's me making about 4,000 US dollars at the comfort of my own. That's insane, guys. So how do you, as a beginner in affiliate marketing with no experience, no website, no money to run ad across all social media platforms and all of that, how do you get to start making money with affiliate marketing? Well, today in this Clickbank tutorial, I will show you exactly how to promote your Clickbank offer using an underground strategy that has been proven to generate sales. And this doesn't require any experience or skills because you will be leveraging AI to make money. And this strategy works too for other affiliate programs or offer that you promote. So it is not limited to Clickbank. But before we get started, here is an important one. When you go through this Clickbank tutorial to the end, I want you to take action immediately and let me know how much you made after 30 days of taking action. So you have to bookmark this video so you wouldn't forget, okay? So let's get started. So you'll be brought up to this interface once you log in. This is the marketplace. And all this here are the niches you can actually select from, okay? So that is the e-business, spirituality, self-help, home garden, and all of that. So what I normally do is I would always check for new offer to see what is new so I can open. But right now, we're going to check the top offers, okay? So you click on top offers and you will get all of the top offers. These are trending offers on Clickbank. So we've got this, and as you can see, it does have the graffiti score of over 800. That's quite a lot. That shows that a lot of persons are actually promoting this offer. And if you check over here, this is another product. I actually like this because the graffiti score is actually very ideal for a beginner, okay? And this product is all about blood sugar, which actually have a very large market. And for every sales that you make, you get about $139. That's quite a lot, guys. So it's okay to go and check more for other products that you can actually push, okay? So I think I like this Red Boost. It's a supplement for men. You can actually check it out also. I will also scroll down and also see. Okay, guys, this is a very good one. This Slim Belly. This is a weight loss supplement and it does have the graffiti score of 248. So it's a very good one to actually market as a beginner, okay? You don't want to go for something very competitive. You will be competing against so many guys. So we're going to go with this Sugar Defender, all right? So I'm going to click on the read more so that we could actually see what the sales page actually look like, okay? And there you go. So we have it here. And once you get your affiliate link, this is the sales page you're going to redirect people to. So it's pretty basic. It only tells more about the product, the ingredients, and how to place an order, okay? So I'm just going to scroll down. And that is the pricing, guys. So it does have frequently have question. And one thing you should always look out for is you look out for money back guarantee. In that way, people are going to trust whatever you are recommending, okay? Or whatever you're promoting. So I'm going to click on the affiliate page so that we're going to find out their terms and conditions and also get some marketing materials. So if you need any materials such as the email swipe, you can always come to this section to get it. And also it also gives you an insight about the demographic. That is, if you're running ad, that will also help you know your target audience. Okay, so if you need email swipe, just click over there to access it. So I think that is all for the affiliate link. So ensure you read their terms and conditions so that you wouldn't get banned, okay? So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this promote button. And once I click on the promote button, it's open up this session for me. Now input your nickname, okay? And this is my nickname. Then your tracking ID. I always use tracking ID to know where my sales is coming from. However, it's still very optional, so you can leave it blank. But I'm just going to put something like GT there. Then you click on create uplink, okay? So the link you just generated is your affiliate link. So you need to copy it and paste it somewhere safe, maybe your notepad or so. And I'm going to show you exactly how to promote this link, okay? So now we've gotten the affiliate offer we want to promote, right? And we do have an understanding of what we are promoting. I mean, the product we are promoting, right? So now we're going to head over to Google to see exactly what people are already doing. And in that way, this will guide us to do what people are already doing and also use the best strategy that we too can start making sale. So just type in Sugar Defender review, okay? And as you can see, there are different content here for this product review. We have the YouTube video, we have some blog posts here. And if you scroll down, you're also going to see more of these, and these are also top stories. And the good thing is they are all recently published, so this is a very good one to actually look into, okay? And this video right here with about 4.4k views, and it was published 16 hours ago. That's a good one, guys. So this gives you an idea of the kind of content to go for. And this YouTube channel also have 10k view in just 2 days. So that is something you can actually look into. And don't worry, you're not making any video, okay? And neither are you writing any content by yourself. It's not the strategy because you're going to be leveraging AI. And let me show you guys something real quick. So if you look over here, this is a Medium post. This article was published in Medium and it's over 1 month ago, right? So that shows this person is already making a lot of sales because Medium has a very good monthly traffic, plus its domain authority is very high. So we're going to click on this link and it's going to take us down to the article page on Medium. So this is what it looks like. It's very busy, and this article must be a very quality one. It has been here for over a month, and we're going to do exactly what this person is doing, leveraging on free traffic. Plus, she didn't even have to write this by herself. So we're going to model a style of writing, and I'm just going to copy some part of this post and head over to Clickbank, okay? So right here on Clickbank, just paste it here. Then you click on Analyze Text. So as you can see, this article is AI generated, and this is exactly what we're going to be doing. So this tells you that AI does write a very good post, and its article ranks on any search engine, okay? And if you click on this link right now, it's going to take you to the sales page, and for any purchase made through a link, you'll be getting paid for it. How easy is that, guys? So I'm going to show you how to use AI to write an article that would also rank on any search engine. So now head over to your Google Chrome extension and type in Web Chat GPT, okay? It's going to bring you up here, and this is the very one you need to go for. So you click on it, okay? And once you click on it, it brings you up to this page. Then you proceed, because I already have it installed here, so I'm going to enable mine. So now you need to log on to your Chat GPT, and once you do, this is the interface you will get. And the Web Chat GPT has a lot of features. As you can see, there are several features here you can actually use to, better your article. They have article to outrank your competitors and all of that, and for keyword strategy, okay? But today our focus is on this feature, okay? So you're going to click on it. It will open up this dialog. Now you're going to input the topic name, and our topic name is Sugar Defender Review, okay? So for the tone, there are several tones here. You can always make it cold, confidence, authoritative, emotional, formal, friendly, optimistic, and all of that. But I love to keep it at default, okay? But then when it comes to the writing style, I always go for the conversational style. However, you can always go for whichever style you prefer. That depends on what you are writing, okay? So I'm going to click on conversational, and then I'm going to click on the run this prompt button. So as you can see, it started with the outline. It gave us a very comprehensive outline, and it did cover all of the topics about this product, and it does this by crawling the web, okay? So that is why this extension is very essential if you need to write a product review, if you're using the free Chat GPT. So it also went ahead and generated the entire blog post, And this is actually something very nice. I think I love the output. The words are so simple to comprehend. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy this and paste it onto word counter to see how many words we have there. So this article is quite short and we need a longer article so that we can outrank our competitor. So here is exactly what I'm going to do. So head back to ChatGPT. And one thing you can do is you can click on this button here to continue generating, but I wouldn't do that. I want the AI to write more about the key ingredients. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it here and tell it to write more. So we have just 4 ingredients here instead of 8. So I will go back to the sales page and copy all of the ingredients there so that the AI can complete the ingredients, okay? It is also essential you read through what the AI is generating for you and confirm exactly what it's generating. Now we are done generating. The next thing I'm doing is I'm going to check it in word counter to see how many words we have there. So we have 2,000 words. That's perfectly okay. And the next thing we're going to do now is to arrange it in Google Docs. So this is it here in Google Docs, well arranged. So for your title, ensure it's heading 1 or you'd leave it at title because Google do prioritize heading, and that is why I made this title heading 1 so that it can rank really fast. Then for the subtopic, you can either make it heading 2 or heading 3. So the next thing you want to do is to add images to your article to make it more lively and also help your readers glue to your article. Now, the next thing you want to do is to embed your affiliate link in the images and also the keyword, that is the Sugar Defender review. So now go and copy your affiliate link where you have saved it. So I'm just going to copy this and head back and paste it right in. So the next thing I would want to do is to hyperlink the table of content to make it clickable so that our users can have a better experience. So all you need to do is just to click on it. And once you do, you click over here where you see the name introduction and that's it. So I will run through it real quick. So as you can see, once you click on any of the table of content, it takes you to the exact page that has the content. And this is how a professional article should always look like. So now you have a well-written article and ready to be published. So the question is, where exactly do you publish this article? Like, how do you promote it? So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. There's several ways, but first, let's head back to Google right here. This is Medium, right? So we're going to leverage on Medium because it's a free traffic source, plus your article can easily rank. So if you don't have an account, all you need to do is to click on the sign up. It is free to sign up, but I already have an account, so I'm going to click on the sign in. And you'll be brought up to this interface. So here where it says title, just paste in your title, your topic name here. Then go ahead and copy and paste in your entire blog post, except for the table of contents. And this is not even the strategy, but you're sure to make some sales using Medium. So when you're ready, you click on the publish button. But before that, there's something you need to do. So you click over here and you click on more settings so that you can work on the SEO. Is that okay? Now, I'm just going to scroll through. So for my SEO description, I'm just going to change this. So I think this is actually very perfect and we are good to go, okay? So one thing you can always do is to add keywords. So right here, I said add topics so readers know what your story is about. So I'm not going to type in Sugar Defender. As you can see, people are already searching for it. You can add up to 5. You save it, and now you click on publish, okay? So now comes the main strategy. So head over to fiverr.com and right here in the search bar, type in press release distribution. So this service is mainly to publish your article on high domain authority websites, and which includes MarketWatch. It also includes Google News, AP News, and all of these top guys. Okay, some even publish on US Today, And all of this can cost a little bucks. And you have to be willing to, make some sacrifice, being that your article remains there for life and you get a very good traffic to your article and they are repeatable. So you have to just scroll through, take your time and see the best for yourself. We have $10, we have $20, we have $5. So take your time and go for the best one. So I'm going to check this woman with $5. She said, this is guest post. All you need to do is just to reach out to them. Then you talk to them. You guys can take it off from there. And as you can see, this person has a very good review. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys something real quick to tell you that people actually do this. If you come over to Google here, as you can see, this URL has it featured. That means that this was actually a paid post, okay? And it was published like 5 days ago, and it is already ranking on Google's first page. So let's check out another. Okay, that's fine. So this is another one. This is written sponsored. As you can see, it is already ranking and it's just 6 days. This is the same thing 4 days ago. And all of these most times are all paid posts. So people do this, and that is why you see some article ranking #1 on Google. And the truth is, if you spend like $20 or $50 to have your content rank on Google's first page, you're sure to be making at least 1 sales a day. So if you sacrifice $20, let's say $20, $50 to get your article published to a very good website, that is you making a lot of money because you are going to be getting a lot of traffic to your article. And people who are going to be reading your articles are mostly buyers, okay? And buyers only stay on the first page. Hardly do people go to the 4th page of Google. People only go through the 1st and the 2nd page, and most times the 3rd page. So you want to be in the 1st or the 2nd page. Okay, so I hope you really found this super helpful. And if you did, please let me know in the comment section. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so very much. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Bye.